sixth graders. Today we are going to be adding and subtracting some more unlike fractions. We are going to add a little bit more. So today, before you can follow the previous steps, you have to write all mixed numbers as improper fractions. So that's what you're going to do first, and then remember you're going to find the least common multiple of the denominators. You're going to rewrite fractions with the LCM as common denominators between the two. That way they become like fractions. And then of course you're going to add or subtract the numerators and keep that common denominator. And then simplify. We love to simplify. All right, simplify. So, when we have something like 2 minus 1/5, we can write this whole number as a fraction, right? Any whole number we can write over 1, and that would be right. So we could say 2 over 1 minus 1/5. Now we want those denominators to be the same. So how do we get this to be the same as that? We could multiply it by 5, right? Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So that gives us 10 over 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so those are equal. So we can do that. And then we're subtracting 1/5 from it. When we take away 1/5 from 10/5, we of course have 9/5, which gives us 1 whole. If we take 1 whole from that, we have 4 left over that we're writing over the fraction. Yeah, we're moving. All right, so let's try a couple more. Since I know you guys have gotten pretty good at changing mixed numbers to improper fractions. So we take the whole number and multiply it by the denominator. So 1 times 9 is, of course, 9, plus that 5 is 14. So we have 14 ninths, plus, now we take the whole number. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus that 5 is 29. Now we have to find the lowest common multiple between the 9 and the 6. Look how much work I'm showing. Are you guys showing your work? Yeah. Okay. 9, 18. Does 6 go into 18? Oh, it does. All right, so that's 2 times to get to the 18. So we're going to write that over 18. 14 times 2 is 28. We're adding. Now, how do we get the 6 to be 18? We have to multiply by 3. So we have 18 still on the bottom. 29 times 3. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Okay. 27. 3 times 6. I'm sorry, 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 87. Sweet deal. Now we're adding. 7 and 8 is 15. 8 and 2 is 10, plus that 1 is 11. Holy cow. All right, so I know it doesn't go... I know we can't have 9. I mean, we can't have 10 times because that would be 180. Maybe like 5, 6, or 7 times. Let's see what 18 times 7 would be. 56, 7, 12. So 7 times would be too much. But we should be able to take 6 times out. So if I took 6 wholes out, that's 18 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 10. So that's 108. So if I take 108 from that 115, look at all this work, guys. So I'm saying 15, right, if I borrowed here. 15 minus 8 is 7. 10 minus 10 is 0. So I have 7 remaining of the 18. 6 and 7/18. That was a lot to get one answer. Alright, I want you to try this last one. It is a subtraction problem. 4 and 11/12 minus 5/9. So we don't have to do anything to that, but 4 times 12 is 48. 48 plus 11 is 59. 59/12 minus 5/9. Okay, we gotta find something that 12 goes into and 9, a common multiple between 12 and 9. So 12, 24, 36. 24 is not a multiple of 9. Is 36 a multiple of 9? Yes, 4 times. So we're going to rewrite these out of 36. Something out of 36 minus something out of 36. So to get from 12 to 36, we multiply by 3. So we have to do that to the 59. 59 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Yeah! 177. Alright. How do I get from the 9 to the 36? I have to multiply by 4. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 5 times 4 is 20. Alright. So 177 minus 20 is, of course, 157. Because I'm taking 2 tens from there, right? Out of 36. Oh, good golly jeepers, guys. These are tricky. How many times can I take 36 out of 157? Well, 5 times would be 180. So I might try 4 times. 36 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12. 13, 14, 144. So I could take 4 wholes out of there. Subtract 144, which would give us 13 36s. 4 and 13 36s. Sixth. 4 and 13 36ths. Oh, say that. Alright, guys. Have a fabulous Wednesday.